Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Elbee Home Cookware is probably one of the most versatile and essential additions to any kitchen, offering a complete set designed to handle a wide range of cooking tasks with ease and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs looking to upgrade their culinary tools. Number 5. Amazon Basic Silicone Baking Mat 2-pack. Introducing the Amazon Basic Silicone Baking Mat, your new go-to for easy baking, roasting, and food prep. This set includes 2 convenient mats designed for everyday use. Crafted from food-safe silicone, these mats are designed for repeated use, making them an eco-friendly choice for your kitchen. Enjoy baking with peace of mind. Say goodbye to stuck-on food. The flexible, non-stick surface releases your creations effortlessly, eliminating the need for oils, sprays, or parchment paper. These mats are oven-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. For best results, always place them on a baking tray and avoid direct contact with oven racks. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply place these mats in the dishwasher for a thorough clean. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious baked goods. Each mat measures a generous 16.5 by 11.6 inches, providing ample space for all your baking needs. Perfect for cookies, pastries, and roasting vegetables. What we like? If you're looking for a simple and eco-friendly baking solution, these reusable silicone mats are a great choice. They offer a non-stick surface for easy food release and are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Consider these if you bake frequently and want to reduce waste from parchment paper. What people say. The Elbee Home 8-piece non-stick aluminized bakeware set is a great addition to any kitchen. It includes all the essential pieces for baking, such as muffin pans, cake pans, and cookie sheets. The non-stick coating makes for easy cleanup and prevents food from sticking. Number 4. NutriChef 3-piece non-stick cookie sheet set. Introducing our 3-piece non-stick cookie sheet set, designed for all your baking needs. Enjoy effortless food release and quick cleanup thanks to the advanced non-stick coating. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, these pans are built to resist warping and withstand years of baking. They are safe for use in the oven, refrigerator, and freezer. Our PTFE PFOA PFOS-free non-stick surface ensures healthy cooking with easy food release. The heat-resistant exterior lacquer adds durability and protects against high temperatures. The bold red silicone handles provide a confident and comfortable grip, even when hot. They are oven-safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit for your convenience. This flexible set includes small, medium, and large cookie pans, perfect for any recipe. They offer a stylish and practical solution for family baking. Cleanup is a breeze as these sheets are dishwasher safe and stain resistant. Their stackable design also makes for convenient, space-saving storage. What we like? For those who need a versatile baking set, this 3-piece option with varying sizes is ideal. The durable carbon steel construction resists warping, and the red silicone handles provide a confident grip. If you enjoy baking a variety of items and appreciate a touch of style, this set is for you. What people say. The Elbee Home 8-piece non-stick aluminized bakeware set is a great addition to any kitchen, offering excellent performance and durability. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, making baking a breeze. The aluminized steel construction provides even heat distribution for consistent baking results. Number 3. Joseph Nest 9 Plus Food Prep Set. Meet the Joseph Nest 9 Plus, a versatile 9-piece food preparation set designed to simplify your kitchen tasks. It's perfect for everyday cooking and baking needs. Its innovative nesting design allows all the pieces to stack neatly together, saving valuable space in your kitchen. This makes storage incredibly convenient. The mixing bowls feature wide, non-slip bases and easy carry handles for comfortable use. They are also lightweight, making them easy to manage. This set includes a large mixing bowl, a colander, a stainless steel sieve, and a range of measuring cups and spoons. It has everything you need for precise food preparation. Crafted from BPA-free polypropylene plastic, these tools are safe for food contact. While most pieces are dishwasher safe, the sieve requires hand washing. Ideal for gifting, new home cooks, bakers, or those with smaller kitchens, this set is a practical addition to any culinary space. It's also great for RV camping. What we like. If you have a small kitchen or are looking for an organized way to prep ingredients, this 9-piece nesting set is perfect. It includes mixing bowls, measuring cups, a sieve, and a colander, all designed to stack neatly. It's a great choice for new home cooks or anyone who values compact storage. What people say. The Elbee Home 8-piece non-stick aluminized bakeware set is a great addition to any kitchen. It includes all the essential pieces for baking, such as muffin pans, cake pans, and cookie sheets. The non-stick coating ensures that food releases easily and cleanup is a breeze. Number 2. NutriChef 8-piece non-stick stackable bakeware set. Introducing the NutriChef 8-piece bakeware set, your all-in-one solution for creating delicious baked goods. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to bake in bulk. Experience unparalleled ease with its advanced non-stick coating. You can say goodbye to butter, oil, or cooking spray, and enjoy effortless food release every time. Bake with confidence at temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This set is perfect for everything from cookies and cupcakes to cakes and brownies. Cleanup is a breeze with this set. It's dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended to ensure longevity. Maximize your kitchen space with its smart, stackable design. These pans store neatly, making it ideal for any kitchen size. Crafted from durable, BPA-free carbon steel, this set is built to last. It's compatible with various oven types for ultimate convenience. What we like. This 8-piece bakeware set offers a comprehensive collection for all your baking needs, from cookies to cakes. Its stackable design is a major space saver, and the PFOA/PFOS-free non-stick coating ensures easy release and healthy cooking. If you need a complete set that's both functional and easy to store, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Elbee Home 8-piece non-stick aluminized cookware set is a great addition to any kitchen. The non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. The aluminized construction ensures even heating and durability. Number 1. ROOTX Elbee Jar Foaming Root Control. Introducing ROOTX, the powerful foaming root control solution designed for your sewer lines and septic systems. It effectively eliminates troublesome tree root blockages. Applying ROOTX is simple and straightforward, thanks to the included funnel and applicator. You can treat up to 50 feet of 4-inch pipe with ease. Rest assured, this product is EPA accepted, ensuring it meets stringent safety and effectiveness standards. It's a reliable choice for maintaining your plumbing. Each jar is designed for a single, complete application, guaranteeing you use the right amount every time. This ensures maximum effectiveness without waste. While it won't immediately clear a severely blocked line, it's perfect for preventative maintenance. Keep your sewer lines and septic systems free from root intrusions. What we like. For homeowners dealing with persistent tree root issues in their sewer lines, this foaming root control is a targeted solution. It's EPA accepted and designed for easy application, treating up to 50 feet of pipe. If you're experiencing blockages and want a direct way to address root intrusion, this product is designed for that specific problem. What people say. The Elbee Home 8-piece non-stick aluminized bakeware set is a great addition to any kitchen, offering a durable and reliable option for all your baking needs. The non-stick coating ensures that your baked goods release easily, making cleanup a breeze. The aluminized steel construction provides even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and ensuring perfectly baked results every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.